Hey Cursor, this is Kevin, and today, as promised yesterday, I'm gonna be trying power yoga. I have no idea what to expect, but I think it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I don't know what to expect though. So when I think yoga, I think it's chill, but then power yoga. So what does that mean? I don't know. We'll see. Take our shoes off. Hey, it's Kevin speaking. Welcome to the inside of my mind. Apparently this class was very silent. There was not much talking happening, so in order to not make this super boring for you guys, I'm gonna be offering an insight into my own mind, my own thought process. So first of all, look at that posture. I didn't even realize my posture was so bad until this guy came to correct me, and look at that difference over there. Yeah, in here I was trying to channel my energy and my spirit to become one with my body and really do my best in this class. We started off by warming up my back. That felt really good, as you can tell by my face over there. Then came the difficult part, so getting in certain positions and trying to relax, which of course I failed to do because it was not relaxing at all to me. This is actually much more difficult than it looks. As you can see, I'm having some balance issues. So I actually forgot what this pose is called, but I did it a lot in this class. As you can see, the first time I did it, it was really ugly. My back was really curved, and to be honest, I didn't even realize it. So the instructor came and gave me a quick tutorial. So my back is straight now, but I look really bad with those bent knees. And yeah, it got really difficult at this point. So the instructor kept telling us to feel comfortable and relax, and I really didn't get that because I don't know if you can see from the video, but I was really uncomfortable. But eventually, I feel like this pose especially got better for me. Like my back was really hurting, but I could feel my body doing great things. And here in my own head, I thought my leg was straight, but it's actually more than a 90-degree angle. This pose felt really good after all that. It was really relaxing. Apparently, to do it the proper way, you had to lift your leg from the back, which I failed to do. As you can see, I headbutted the ground. Yeah, I feel the abs burning here. You can't really hear it from here, but I'm gonna play you a little sound sample of what that sounded like in my own body. Yeah, that felt really good. I just wish I could stay like that forever. So I actually did this in middle school, so it doesn't look too bad, so don't give me a hard time for that, come on. Now for this next part, I'm gonna let Christina, who was filming me, comment on it.
I just think this position needs no commenting, just look at it and just admire everything.
Just ponder it. That's actually pretty difficult, but to be honest, I used to do it as a kid. Yeah, and now at the end of the session, there was this really relaxing part of the class. They actually turned off the lights, which I think this was my favorite part of the whole session. Just gonna let you enjoy the silence for a bit. Just take your time. Oh wow, I feel so free now. I feel like I'm moving parts of my body that I didn't even know I had. Also, I feel so much calmer. There was a spiritual part to that. There was like I feel like I need to talk like in a very calm way. My energy is just so calm right now. Overall, it was a very fun experience. I totally recommend you come here. And tomorrow we're gonna try BBB, which I think is gonna be very interesting for me. Yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow.